Alright, so to prove the product rule, of course, what we want to do is use the definition of the derivative. So the derivative of f of x times g of x is going to equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h times g of x plus h minus f of x times g of x all over h. Now, it doesn't seem like, there's much you can do, but this is going to be your first lesson. This is Math Tricks 101, Math Tricks for Proofs 101. And this is a trick used commonly to prove various things. It's a good thing to have. So basically what it boils down to is you're going to add 0. So what you do is you add and you subtract the same thing from this guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add f of x g of x plus h, and then I'm going to subtract exactly the same thing, f of x g of x plus h. And so then notice here that if you combine, so here you're just putting these right here. If you combine these two, notice that you can factor this out. This is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of notice how they have an f of x in common, so you can factor the f of x out, f of x, and you would have left over g of x plus h minus g of x all over h. So that's combining these two and these two when you factor out the f of x. And then plus, I'm going to write this as two limits. So I'm going to write this as limit as h approaches 0 using the limit laws. I can break this up into two limits. Now if I put together these two, the first one and the last one, notice that you can factor out a g of x plus h, and then you would have left over a f of x plus h, sorry for the encroachment there, minus f of x all over h. And well, take a look here. What is this guy? Woo! That guy right there, that is simply the definition of g prime of x. And then right here, whoa, dude, that's simply f prime of x. So when you put this together, you have, if I want to put it in the same order that I have here, I would have, I'm going to start off with this one, so I would have f prime of x times g of x plus h. As h goes to 0, this is going to be just g of x, and then plus f of x times g prime of x. And that's it. It's the proof of the product rule. And the proof of the quotient rule is very, very, very similar.